Hi, I am Cosimo from Forschungszentrum Jülich in Germany. It is my pleasure to introduce you to my research on which I was working on together with my colleagues from the Agrosphere Institute, the University of Cologne, and the Swedish Institute of Agricultural Sciences. As a matter of fact, the rapidly growing world population combined with recent climatic changes pose severe food security challenges. A key to meet these challenges is a more sustainable and more productive agriculture, which can be achieved by preventing yield reduction and crop failure. A reduction in crop performance can be attributed to a number of factors, but a key one is water shortage, especially in non-irrigated regions. It is therefore essential to produce more food per unit of water. Unfortunately, our ability to simulate and thus predict the effects of water scarcity is still limited. Water stress in crop is indeed caused by precipitation patterns, but also by other factors, such as soil-water content dynamics, which are in turn affected by spatially distributed soil characteristics. The simulation of those processes at the large scale is what we explore in our study. To achieve this, we focused on simulating the growth of 6 crops in 2016. This was done over an area of 1 square kilometer, where water stress and soil characteristics generally affect crop performance. Quantitative soil information was provided by a recently developed geophysics-based soil map, which divides the study area in 18 soil units. This information was used to calculate soil hydraulic parameters using a pedotransfer function. Then, using these parameters, 80 simulations of the one-dimensional agro-sea model were prepared, each simulation representing a unique combination of soil and crop type. With these simulations, we investigated the soil-water content dynamics and their effect on simulated crop growth. In all 80 simulations, water scarcity and crop stress were strongly related to soil characteristics as well as crop type. Higher stress occurred in coarser soils with reduced access to the groundwater. This stress affected the simulated growth of each crop by reducing their leaf area index and yield. The simulated leaf area index of all 80 combinations well matched independent satellite data. In fact, both the general crop development and the within-field patterns in crop performance were nicely reproduced. Finally, maps of the simulated agricultural yield of 4 crops were produced. Again, simulated values well matched actual harvest data or literature values. As a result, we concluded that the combination of quantitative geophysics-based soil maps with crop growth models allows precise and reliable crop simulations. This combination is particularly effective in the presence of water stress caused by soil characteristics. As a consequence, this methodology could provide a valuable support for decision-making and agricultural management. For example, specific crop types or varieties could be selected depending on soil characteristics. Also, it will be possible to investigate long-term strategies such as the best crop rotation. And finally, this methodology could make use of forecast precipitation to prescribe irrigation timing and quantity. We believe that each of these improvements can bring us one step closer to a more productive and sustainable agriculture. Well, I hope you will dig into our paper and enjoy it. To get the best out of your reading experience, I suggest you to combine this manuscript with a glass of nice Chianti from 2010 or 13. Its deep and complex flavor goes perfectly with our research topic. And remember, read responsibly. And if you read too much, ask your colleagues to drive your car. Thank you for watching this video, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions.